This is BBS with I.T.S.H Productions, and I have a follow-up video on how I have changed my inventory. But just so you know, I actually was doing this as my organization was going to be just whatever I had, even if it's all dresses, all shirts, or all kids, or whatever. Put it into a bin, put into my listing where the location was so I could find it, and that was that. But now that we have come to a new location, I had this weird thing in me, call it ADHD, OCD, or just my mindset, or I don't know what, maybe it makes sense. But I went and looked at all my listings on Poshmark because you can go on there and print them off. I went onto Poshmark. You can go on there and get a spreadsheet of all the items you have listed already and all the items you sold and all that stuff. But I just got what I have listed, which is like either 800 and something or 1,000 items. And I went on there and I sorted them. You just click on the row that you want to have sorted, A to Z, which also does it numerically. And all you have to do is you just go to the one that said listed date. And I went on there, start from the very first one I listed, so my oldest listing to the newest listing, and I put it in order and I went through them and was like, I located if the first item's located in bin 15, if the third item's located in bin 30, if the second item's located in bin 24, or if there's the fifth item's located in a box or hanging on a rack or somewhere else. I went and I located not all of them yet. I think I'm like 9 boxes in to this, but let's say out of 15. The idea is that bin 1 has my oldest items, bin 2 has the next oldest, and so on and so on. So the higher the number, the newer the items. So that way I can go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and be like, I need to sell all this stuff, or I need to add them to new platforms, or I need to just look at those items and just be like, because right now I only do Posh. I put something on eBay and immediately got scammed by 3 different individuals on a pair of jeans that's all said they wanted to buy them immediately for the exact price, and then somebody else tried to actually like personally message me and they were saying some weird stuff. So eBay's creeped me out. I have a couple items on Mercari, but it doesn't do anything and I haven't been consistent on it. I have a few items on I.T.S.H, that doesn't do anything either, and I had things on Facebook Marketplace, but that is definitely Creepville. I don't know how y'all do all this. I'm not a nervous person, but I don't like dealing with bullcrap. I'm very black and white when it comes to, look, I'm listing it. Do you want it? If you don't, leave me alone. If you have questions, ask them. I'll answer them. I'm a very pleasant person. It's just, I don't deal with the horsing around stuff because it's not even that I don't have time for it, but I also don't have time for it because my brain won't let me process a whole lot of stuff at once. So I can multitask like nobody's business, but just don't be around me because I'm going to be like, what do you want? If you guys like these kind of videos, don't forget to click the like button, click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the notification bell if you want to know the next time that I upload, which I try to do daily in some form or fashion, whether it's a short or a full-length video. I try to do my best to keep up with this stuff because it just isn't easy. It's not easy. Please help me out. The more that you are interactive and leave comments and make it feel like you guys actually give a crap, then the more it makes me feel like you guys really care and I'm doing something that's helping. And it's really, like, people are talking about BetterHelp and therapy and all this stuff. This is my therapy. This is what is my BetterHelp. This is helping me. So if you guys comment, share, subscribe, ting, 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 just, this is me. So thank you so much. You guys have a good day. Bye.